Hey guys, Derek here. So, decided to get one of these Death Racer kits. Wanted to give it a go, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. This came today. It was ordered a couple of weeks ago. I will leave the links down below. I'm hoping it is. Obviously all I've done is crossed out all my details. So let's open it up, have a look. Sorry for the weird angle, and if you can hear my printer in the background, I apologise for that as well. Just printing a few bits and pieces for people, as one does. Right, have a look. So it looks big box from Big Tree Tech. There we go. Functional Death Racer kit. Let's have a look. Okay, so we got carbon rods. We have a bunch of assorted screws. We have some metal rods, some more screws, some plastic inserts, in the top here. I'm not going to get it all out. I think it's in layers. So we've got in here, we've got a couple of big motors. We have the let's have a look here. Speed controller. Bearings. Don't forget the duck. Switch. Connectors. Some bearings, some motors, and fans, and a few other bits and pieces in there. They're the main sort of kit parts. It also comes with this. Which is the remote control for it. That's it. That's an empty box. So what I will be doing is, let's put this out of the way. You're not going to see it. There. Okay, so it's a lot in here. The kit was in the region of about £150. That's also shit, I think, to me. Obviously I'm in the UK, and just having a quick look at this. We will see how it goes. It took a couple of weeks to get here, about 150 quid. Comes with the actual remote control, all the parts. I just now need to print all the parts out, and then I'll start doing a build guide. I'm gonna say build guide. I'm gonna build it, and hopefully, if it works, great. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm just going to follow the guide that obviously has come down. There's going to be a link. There's so what it is the actual kit itself for all the parts of the Death Racer kit is £150. Now you also need the guide and all the printing files, the STL files and everything else. They are from either a Patreon or on Printables. They're on Printables for £10 or equivalent, or they're on a Patreon, which obviously I will link below as well, all the details, and you can sign up to the Patreon and get a little bit cheaper. You can, it's up to you. If you like, it's a Patreon. But yeah, I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to see how I get on. I haven't done a video for some time, so I apologise. I've had quite a bit of stuff going on since the last video and now. Yes, so that'll be in another video somewhere along the line. But until then, let's get this up and right. Let's get this sorted out. So it is the Death Racers 3D print to fight and fight to win. You got you got a QR code to watch Sam Prentice's tutorial video, and obviously you got it all there. If you want to watch the tutorial video, you're very welcome to. I'm sure it's open to everyone. But yeah, I'll give this a go, and you're welcome to follow me along, see how I get on. Alright, see you later. Bye.